a really nice sort of little edgy swing kind of feel, and doing it as a double up bow absolutely makes it sound right, you know, right off the bat. So we're starting with a D arpeggio just right off the bat, like that. But we're starting on an up bow, down, down, 2, 3. And I want you to slide that 3. So if you're using the music, and that is totally fine, as we've talked about, I wouldn't have sent it to you if I didn't think it was fine. But if you're using the music, make some notes along the way if that's how you know, if that's where you're most comfortable. I want a big slide on the 3. Okay, so 2, 3, and then we're going to do up bow slur, 2, 3. 2, 1, 2, 3.